Digital transformation for IT is driving the need to use a variety of public cloud services. More and more companies are looking to expand their use of software as a service, or SaaS offerings, such as Microsoft Office 365, as well as cloud infrastructure solutions such as Microsoft Azure Storage. Using public cloud services allows companies to lower their capital expenditures while also gaining the scalability and flexibility of the cloud. SaaS and cloud infrastructure usage is on the rise. ESG's 2018 IT Spending Intentions Survey found that 85% of all companies are now using the public cloud. 74% are currently using SaaS offerings such as Office 365, and when you add those that have plans or interests, that reaches 94%. 51% are using infrastructure as a service, or IaaS, and with plans and interests, that reaches 90%. 40% of those surveyed use cloud infrastructure services, like IaaS, as a backup repository and/or archive data. And all this is over and above all the on-premises data that most organizations have. What is needed now is a single cloud solution for archiving across these domains. Organizations need to have a modern archive solution supporting cloud workloads like Office 365, existing on-premises data, and modern uses of archive data, such as compliance. Cloud workloads and cloud data need a solution designed for the cloud. It's not enough to simply have a solution that has access to cloud resources. HubStor offers an intelligent object storage solution, cloud-based, designed from the ground up to manage both on-premises data and cloud-based data, all while leveraging Microsoft Azure Blob Storage. HubStor users get a simple, easy-to-use, cloud-based archiving solution for their on-premises workloads, and it also fills in the management gap in Office 365, providing archiving and backup capabilities over and above the built-in tools that Microsoft provides. HubStor also provides data retention with tamper-proof storage, making it ideal for compliance usage. But as companies use more and more cloud resources, security is becoming the key risk factor in its use. Companies need to prevent data loss and exposure, both from outside factors and also from internal users, both accidental and malicious. HubStor offers several unique security differentiators. HubStor always uses a single tenant architecture, meaning no shared resources and no commingling of the data with other customers. The organization's HubStor tenant is always fully managed by HubStor, including compute and storage resources, and ties directly into an organization's Azure Active Directory, or Azure AD, for authentication and identity synchronization. HubStor adds an additional security layer to Azure services, ensuring proper access controls and actions not just for end users, but also for HubStor's operations team. End users and admins are integrated with Azure AD, ensuring access only to the data and functions they are allowed to have. HubStor operations only have access to audit and monitor the data, not access to the entire blob store. Access to the actual archive data is restricted, eliminating the possibility of exposed data sources, such as those that have happened to several companies recently. Data access to Azure Blob Storage is protected by a patented process, allowing data to be written into the blob without potentially exposing any secret authentication keys into the public cloud. HubStor actually uses two Azure Blob Storage accounts, one for staging and one for archiving. All archive data is put into the staging account through the HubStor account, authenticated via Azure AD. Finally, HubStor offers a true backup copy of the Azure Blob Storage accounts within the customer's HubStor tenant, in addition to any replicated copies that might accidentally replicate malicious or accidental deletions. HubStor security features limit the risk and potential exposure of the archive data by not treating the cloud as just another storage location, but integrating the security features and protocols that add the layer of protection needed in today's IT environment. The use of SaaS like Office 365 and cloud infrastructure is not an up-and-coming trend, but one that is fully part of modern IT departments. Archiving and backup solutions need to match the scalability, the ease of use, and flexibility that public cloud provides. HubStor offers a cloud-based intelligent object storage solution that covers all of the workloads that organizations use today, from on-premises to cloud to SaaS, with additional protection and security capabilities that our threat-conscious environments require.